Hello everyone, I am Ravi Thomarivudi, CEO of Mobiveil. We are a contributor member of the CXL consortium, and it's my pleasure to speak to you about our contribution to the CXL ecosystem. Mobiveil is a Silicon Valley-based technology company developing standard-based silicon IP blocks, targeting data center, networking and storage applications, as well as deliver value-added engineering services. It's our endeavor to keep the IP blocks up to date with latest versions of the specifications, as well as keep the IP highly flexible to quickly integrate with customers' ASIC and FPGA designs. Also, we know it is critical for our customers to interoperate their CXL design with other CXL-based solutions such as CPUs, switches, ASICs, and FPGAs in the system. We accomplish this by verifying our RTL design with third-party verification IP, as well as porting our control design to an FPGA platform and conducting interoperability tests with other major CXL component suppliers. I don't plan to do a live demo in this video, but wanted to give details of our IP as well as the FPGA platform that we have developed. I will also provide links to additional details as well as how we can set up a live demo for you. Late last year, we completed system-level validation of the 1.1 version of our CXL controller IP with Intel's Xeon scalable processor codenamed Sapphire Rapids. This slide shows the interoperability setup in a data center memory expansion configuration. Our CXL IP block diagram as well as the CXL cache and CXL.io traffic generators are shown in the middle of the slide. Our validation demo setup is on the left and the tests performed are on the right. In this demo, we demonstrated CXL 1.1 Type 2 device IP seamlessly interfacing with Intel's Sapphire Rapids CPU using CXL protocol and successfully executing data transfers on CXL.mem and CXL.cache paths. Mobiveil CXL controller IP named Compex is a highly configurable, low-latency CXL controller that supports host and device mode for several high-performance applications, such as data center accelerators, memory expanders, and AI and ML applications. The Compex controller IP is designed for CXL 2.0 specification and supports host and Type 1, Type 2, and Type 3 devices. Compex also supports dual mode where it can be configured to operate either as a host or any of the device types. Compex supports up to 16 lanes on a flex bus interface and is designed to the latest pipe specification. It provides a simple packet-based interface to user logic that supports 128-bit, 256-bit, and 512-bit data path widths and provides a low latency path for easy integration into customer ASIC. An implementation can choose one of the data path widths based on the number of lanes and target technology to get low latency and optimize power consumption from Compex controller. For CXL.io, Compex uses Mobiveil's PCI SIG compliant GPEX controller and adds highly efficient and configurable CXL.mem and CXL.cache layers for low latency coherent path. Before porting the Compex controller to Mobiveil's FPGA platform, it was fully verified for functionality and compliance using every design system's CXL verification. This slide shows our Xilinx-based CXL 1.1 Ultra Platform. I will describe in the next slide our Agilex-based 2.0 platform. CXL Ultra 1.1 is a Xilinx Sync Ultra Scale Plus FPGA-based full-height, full-length PCI card. It has an 8-lane PCIe Gen 4 edge finger and 8-lane Gen 4 PCIe connector. It supports 16 GB DDR4 memory for FPGA and 16 GB DDR4 memory for processor subsystem. This slide shows our next generation Agilex platform under development. It provides one 16-lane PCIe Gen 5 upstream port and one 8-lane PCIe Gen 5 downstream port and four 4-lane Gen 5 PCIe CXL ports. It also has two 200 gigabit Ethernet and one gigabit Ethernet interface. This slide shows some links for additional details. You can also send an email to ip@mobiveil.com for more information. It was my pleasure to talk to you about this new CXL technology that is enabling innovations in the data center to support exciting next generation software applications. Hope it was useful for you, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.